Namaste children, how are you all? Are you fine? Yes, welcome back to the social studies class. Children, in our previous class we had discussed about the syllabus of social studies for this academic year. And today I am going to start your first lesson, the earth, our home. We are all living on this earth, it is our home. So I am going to explain that lesson today. Let us go to the lesson now. Okay. So please look at your screen what I am going to share. Yes. Look at it, please look at it. First lesson, the earth, our home. See, here are some questions to you before starting this lesson. See, look at it. First question, do you know where we are living? Where we are all living? Do you know? Anybody? Can you tell? Yes. Yes, please see that. Answer is there. Yes. You are right. We are all living on this earth. Now we are all living on this earth. Okay. Now, yes, that is correct. We are all living on this earth. Next question. What is our earth called? What is our earth? Is it a stone? Is it a rock? Or is it a thing? What it is? Yes. Answer is here. Look at it. Our earth is a planet in our solar system. Our earth is a planet in our solar system. Okay. Earth is, what is earth? What is our earth? Our earth is a planet. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Next question is there. See, look at it. What is the solar system? Then I used that word in this previous answer. Our earth is a planet in our solar system. Like that I used their solar system. Then what do you mean solar system? What does it mean? Solar system means what? So that is there. Answer, the 8 planets, satellites and other small heavenly bodies together is called a solar system. It means solar system means what? The sun, who is giving us light and heat daily. Every day is giving us heat and light, no? Is sun. The sun and 8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Next I will explain to you which are those 8. Okay, 8 planets and satellites. There are some satellites. Satellites means what? That also I will explain to you later. And other small heavenly bodies. Other small heavenly bodies together is called a solar system. Okay, all together it is considered as the family of the sun. Solar system is nothing but family of the sun. Here sun is the head. Okay, for example, in our family, who is head? Our father will be head of our family. Like that, in the solar system, sun will be the head. And now we are all following our father's instructions. Like that, all the planets, 8 planets and satellites and other heavenly bodies, they will follow the sun. Okay, sun is the head of our solar system. So here is the picture of our solar system. Yes, our earth is here. Look at it properly. Okay, here yellow in the left corner. To the left corner there is completely yellow and brightest thing, no, that is sun. He is the sun. So he is the only star in our solar system. Okay, sun is a star. Sun is a star. Okay, we are calling him as a star. What is the difference between star and planet? I will tell you later. He is called sun. Okay, sun, around sun there are 8 planets. Count these, all the small balls are there, no? Those are all planets. How many balls are there? See, count. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, you can, once again I will see. I will show to you. 1 dot, blue dot you can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are these? These are all 8 planets of our solar system. He is the sun. Here is the sun. He is the head of our solar system. Around sun there are 8 planets. Here are 8 planets. Okay, these are all 8 planets. First to the sun. Wait, I will show to you once again. Okay, I will take a red or a green color, then you can easily identify what it is. Okay. Yes. Yes. See, look at it. E is the sun, here is the Mercury, next is the Venus. You cannot see their names. Here Mercury it is there, here Venus it is there, here Earth it is there, here Mars it is there, here Jupiter it is there, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Tell with me now all. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 8 are called as planets of our solar system. So where is our Earth? Our Earth is in the third position from the sun. Third place from the sun. First place, who is there nearby the sun? Who is there? Mercury is there. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. And which is the second planet to the sun? Venus. And which is the third planet to the sun? Earth. And which is the last? It is very far from sun. Far from the sun. Who is that? Yes, you are right. It is Neptune. And here you see size. You see which is the biggest planet in these 8? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. That is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system or largest planet in our solar system. And here there is to the Saturn there is a ring around this. Here is a ring. What it is you will learn in your next classes. Okay, about that. And here Earth you see among these 8 planets. See which is the bright planet? Do you know anybody? It will be shining always. Which is that planet? Do you know anybody? Can you guess? Yes, somebody you may guess it. Yes, it is Venus only, second planet from the sun. So Venus is the brightest planet of our solar system. It will be shining. It will be receiving the sunlight and it will be shining always. Why it is shining? In your higher classes you will learn that. Okay, first you should know that which is the brightest planet in our solar system. Okay, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Among these 8 planets, children, among these 8 planets, see, only our Earth is having living things on it. Only our Earth is having living things on it. Live here. Our Earth is here. So, only our Earth is having living things on it. No other planets are having living things on their surface. Only our Earth is having living things. Why? So there may be human beings and animals on Jupiter, no? There may be on Saturn, no? There may be on Neptune, no? Why they are not there? Only why animals are there on the Earth only? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. Our Earth is having oxygen on it. Oxygen, what we are breathing daily. Every moment we need oxygen to breathe inside and to breathe out. To breathe in, to breathe out, we need oxygen and carbon dioxide are required. Okay, oxygen is required to breathe in. So that oxygen is available on our Earth only. Okay, and what we want for our life, daily life, what are the things you need to live on this Earth? Can you tell? Can you guess? Anyone? Okay, you can tell that. Says we need water, food, air. Water, food, air, cloth and home. It means shelter. These are all the things are very important for us to live on this Earth. First important thing is air. Without air or without oxygen, can you live for a minute? 1 minute or 2 minutes? It is not possible. It is impossible. Okay, we can't live without air, without oxygen. So oxygen is very important for all the living things. So that oxygen is available on our Earth only. Yes, that is why we are all living on this Earth. And water, is there a water is available on any other planets of these 8? No, water is available on only Earth. Only on the Earth's surface we have water. So on Jupiter there is no water, on Saturn there is no water. And about Mars, still our scientists are inventing about that Mars, whether is there water or not on the surface of the Mars planet. Okay, So that is still going on, that process is going on, it is not clear. But till now we know that our earth is the only planet, it has living things on it, and it has all the facilities which are uh, important to live on this earth. Okay, all the facilities we have on this earth only. No other planets are having these facilities to live on them. That is why we are all living on only the earth. That is why we are calling earth is our home. Earth is our home because all we are all living on this earth. Earth is giving us shelter. Shelter is nothing but home. Where we are living, that is our shelter. We are all living on this earth, so earth is our shelter. So keep it in your mind that so earth is our home. Then here they given in your textbooks there are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets we have. And here earlier there were 9 planets in our solar system. One is removed from the list. Its name is Pluto. Pluto also, it was one of the planet in our solar system earlier. So it is now, it is not there in the list of planets. So now it is not a planet. Now at present there are only 8 planets in our solar system. Okay. Okay, now one more thing they given. India's first interplanetary spacecraft, the Mangalayana, was launched on November 5, 2013. It reached the orbit of the Mars on September 24, 2014. Yes, you are right, children. See, India's first interplanet to other planets. India also, it is in our Indian scientists also planned some programs. Our scientists, Indian scientists. So the first interplanetary spacecraft, it means rocket, which is launched to that other planet is Mangalayana. So from our Indian space research organization called ISRO, its head office is in Bengaluru. Okay, Bengaluru, India's Space Research Center, ISRO we are calling it. It is in, its head office is in Bengaluru. There our Indian scientists, they together they planned a program to send a spacecraft to the Mangalayana or Mangala planet. Mangala is nothing but Mars planet. Okay. Yes, they have planned and they have launched this spacecraft to the Mangalayana on this spacecraft on November 5th, 2013, and it reached the Mars planet on September 24th, 2024, and we have successfully sent our spacecraft to the Mars planet. So that is why we are not lagging in this field. We are also very forward in the field of science. Okay, our India also one of the supreme country in the world. It is actively participating in the space research things, space research organizations or space research activities. Actively India is participating in those all. Okay, then after that, what is the shape of our earth? So answer is here, our earth is in round shape. In the previous class I told you this. Our earth is in round shape. Look at this, it is in round shape. Okay, round shape. Our earth is in round shape. How can you tell that our earth is in round shape? Can you tell? Any reasons are there? Are there? Think. Yes, please look at these informations, children. So here are 2 reasons why we can tell that, how we can tell that our earth is in round shape. There are 2 proofs. One, first proof. So first proof is that the astronauts, who are astronauts? Astronauts are nothing, they are scientists, those who are researching about the, they are going to the space and they are researching about the heavenly bodies. Okay, those who are researching about the space are called astronauts, or those who are going toward the space, they are called astronauts. Space is nothing but you can come out of your house after this class and see what you are looking upside, that is sky, no? Yes, that is considered as space. Okay, you are calling it space, sky, no? Yes, that is only the space. Okay, so space people, some scientists, they are researching about that space. Those people are, they are going to the space in the rockets. Okay, in the rockets or some other spacecrafts, they are going in, they are sitting inside the spacecraft and they are moving toward the space. and they are researching about those. Why they are going? For the research. They are going to research about the heavenly bodies. So they are called astronauts. And like this, some of the astronauts, they went to the moon also. So their names are Edwin Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. In the next class, I will tell you once again this. Astronauts, they went to other parts of the space and they have took photos of our Earth from there. It means they stood on the moon. Yes, those people, they went to the space and they went to moon and they stood on the moon's surface, on the moon's land. Standing on the moon only, they have taken some photos of our Earth. And those photo, one of the photo is given here. This is the one of the photo of those scientists. So here they have took this photo from the moon. When they stood on the moon, from there they have took this photo. See, look at this picture. In this picture, how is our Earth? Yes, our Earth is in round shape. So same thing. And one more reason is there, children, that once there was a sailor. Sailor means one who is moving in the boats or ships from one place to another place. Always he will be moving. Sailor, his name was Ferdinand Magellan. Here it is there, Ferdinand Magellan. Yes, Ferdinand Magellan. So here this person is from Spain country. Spain is one of the European country in the Europe continent. Okay, European country. From that country, Ferdinand Magellan, he sailed around the earth and reached the same place again. By this, we can tell that our earth is round in its shape. So here is the picture, it is there. See, look at it. Yes. So he is the one, Ferdinand Magellan. And so here he took his friends. All together they prepared some of the boats, 1 or 2, 3 boats they prepared. With the help of those boats, they sat in those boats and they started their journey in the oceans. Okay, there are oceans on the earth, water bodies on the earth. So they started their journey in their ships. Okay, boats, small boats. Yes, they started their journey from Spain country. All Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan and his friends together, they started from their journey from Spain country. Here is Spain country. See, here Spain country. Okay, here it is Spain country. From there they started their journey and they reached and come to this next part. Here, see, through this way they started their journey and moved. And in the Philippines, somehow there was a problem they faced, and this person Magellan was died here. So in that clash, something it happened in the Philippines islands. There Magellan was died. After the death of Magellan, his followers, there were his friends, no, in the other boats. They continued their journey. And moved again. They came. Yes, wait, I will show to you. So now you please look at it. From here they started their journey, and in the Philippines Magellan died, and again his friends, they moved. They continued their journey and they reached Spain again. It means, what is the shape of it now? It became circle now. Yes, by this you know that. So now you can tell easily that how is our earth. Yes, our earth is round in shape. If it is flat, if it is square in shape, if it is rectangle in shape, they couldn't reach the same place again. So that by this we can tell that our earth is round in shape. So these are the things. So they taught us. Is it clear? Okay, children. Next, so this is the map. How that red mark is there, no, it is the route of that Magellan, how we traveled in the oceans. So what is their blue color? Those are all oceans, water bodies. Okay, through those water bodies he moved and reached the Spain again. They reached the Spain again. That is why we are calling Ferdinand Magellan is the first person in the world who traveled around the earth. Okay, he is the first man in the world who traveled around the earth. Keep it in your mind that. Okay, yes, then come to the next part. What are all the things? 8 planets names here are here. You can read out these. I will share it to your WhatsApp group then. And here some important points are there. Which are the important points I mentioned here? You see, These are all the important points what we discussed in our today's class. So those are here. Please look at these points once again. In my next class I will continue this lesson. I hope I am clear till this point. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can send me a message or you can call me. I hope I am clear today. Okay, so take care all of you. I will see you in my next class. Have a nice day.